Did you know that olive oil can do more than just enhance your cooking? Let's uncover some surprising hacks that will change the way you use it. Olive oil is a versatile ingredient that can be used in countless ways beyond the kitchen. From skincare to household cleaning, this liquid gold is about to become your new best friend. We've all been there, dry, flaky skin. But don't reach for those expensive creams just yet. Olive oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. Just a few drops massaged into your skin after a shower. That's all it takes. It locks in moisture and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. It's brilliant for softening those calloused hands and feet. Trust me, a little olive oil goes a long way. Olive oil isn't just for your skin, it's a miracle worker for minor ailments too. Got a pesky cough that just won't quit? A spoonful of olive oil can help soothe that tickly throat. And if you're prone to earwax buildup, a couple of drops of warm olive oil can help loosen things up. Don't believe me? Try it. Put down the harsh chemicals. Olive oil is a surprisingly effective and natural cleaner. Sticky mess got you in a bind? Just grab your trusty olive oil. It cuts through grease and grime like a dream. And if your stainless steel appliances are looking dull, a dab of olive oil will bring back that shine in an instant. Ladies, this one's for you. Ditch those expensive makeup removers packed with chemicals and reach for olive oil. Simply dip a cotton pad in olive oil and gently wipe away your makeup. It's gentle, effective, and leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. And the best part, it's completely natural and won't irritate even the most sensitive skin. Want luscious locks that would make a celebrity hairstylist weep? Olive oil is the secret weapon you've been waiting for. Just apply a generous amount to the ends of your hair, leave it on for an hour, and shampoo as usual. The results are astonishing, soft, shiny, and utterly fabulous hair. We've all been there, a day in the sun and you look like a lobster. But before you reach for the after-sun lotion, try this. Mix equal parts olive oil and aloe vera gel and apply it to the affected area. The antioxidants in olive oil will help reduce inflammation and accelerate the healing process, while aloe vera soothes and cools the burn. It's a match made in heaven. Mosquitoes driving you mad? Forget those chemical-laden repellents. Just mix equal parts olive oil and lemon juice and apply it to your skin or clothing to keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay. The citrusy scent will deter them, and you won't be coating yourself in nasty chemicals. It's a win-win. Tarnished silverware? Don't you dare reach for those harsh chemicals. A little olive oil is all you need to bring back the sparkle. Simply rub a small amount onto the metal surface, buff with a soft cloth, and voila. Your silverware will sparkle like new. It's like magic, but without the smoke and mirrors. We've all been there, battling stubborn sticker residue. Olive oil is here to save the day. Just apply a small amount to the sticky area, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe away with ease. Dry, lackluster wooden furniture got you down? Don't despair. Olive oil is here to breathe new life into your beloved pieces. Simply rub a small amount onto the wood surface, let it sit for a few hours, and buff with a soft cloth. The results are astounding. Your wooden furniture will look like new with a rich, glossy finish that's simply irresistible. So there you have it, 10 incredible olive oil hacks that will change your life. From skincare to cleaning, bug repellent to furniture polish, olive oil is the ultimate multitasker. If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to check out our other videos on cooking tips and healthy living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.